Today we are going to Sada waterfall. Sada waterfall is, I guess, 20 kilometers from this place. Uh, it's new. And I think we are finding it today. And let we can see today. And that's very lot. We are a bucket like
पावसात म्हणजे पाऊस असलो पण त्यांना नको.
okay, we finally reached the destination. And from here we will have to do trekking a little bit. And I think it will be another half an hour's trek from here. And yeah, I'll take you through a trekking of mine. So let's see what's in the store. It's a proper off-roading track over here. Like if you have a 4x4 or if you're coming with bikes or something, I guess you can get up a little more closer. Otherwise, if you're a track lover or something, I think you can walk this distance out. And the trekking still continues. We have been walking from last half an hour, and it does not seem to get over this soon. So like it's so for to reach the waterfall, I met a couple of guys on the way now. He told us that to reach the waterfall, I think we'll have to walk around 30 minutes or so. And they could, I mean, in the village you could find a couple of guys who might help you get to the waterfall. That's what he told us. Let's see, let's figure out what's going to happen over there. Get there, and then let's see if I can find a couple of people who can guide us towards the waterfall or not. Yeah. Finally, it says that we have entered the village over here. There's another gate over here. I guess there was mining which was to happen over here. I don't know whether it stopped or not. And this is the breathtaking view which you can see if you come over here. You can see at the far end you can see the water of Anjuna Dam, I guess, and then the village down with the mountain ranges on. It's pretty cool. घेऊन टाकतो ना आता we have been walking for almost 45 minutes now. Still there's no sign of the waterfall. And yes, we had finally found one leech on the way though. Huh? You're right. Still on the way. It looks pretty far though. Still I can hear the waterfall. Yeah. It's supposed to be somewhere. Oh, it's fallen down. And he's running now. Oh my god, he's speeding. Go, Kevin, go, 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 go. एक कोई
तो किधर है लाम
तो उड़ के वालता
तो फिलिप लाम को हमारे
14 इंच तो तुम्हारा
ओके स्टॉप रे
चल
ओके सॉरी
तो मंडाला तो मेरा बोला था
नहीं कर शी
Encountered a couple of beaches already, and guess what? What's the saving? It's the salt. It's just coming as a lifesaver. And the terrain is getting tougher and tougher, even more now.
Rahul, do you see water?
चप्पल मार कोणाची
तू गाणे चप्पल उरल्या रे दोन एक्सचेंज
शूज उरला मारे ತೊಲ್ಲಕಾಗಿ ಅಂಟಾಂಗ. I didn't imagine that this trekking would be this tough or this adventurous, but then it is getting exciting. That's what I can say. And finally the voice of the water is getting louder and louder as we are coming close to it.
It sounds good.
I guess we reached the point. Still needs to see whether that's the waterfall or not. That's the waterfall. Let's go before the leeches come in. There you go, we finally reached here. We finally made it to the waterfall, and it's a little slippery on the stones because I'm not actually wearing the kind of shoes I think I should have worn for this trek. That's definitely there. Okay. I need to cross it. Let me cross it from there. Huh? I'll have to cross it from the side. Okay. And the water seems a little cold here. Whew. After a fucking trek, after a trek of almost an hour, 20 minutes, we have made it to our destination at the Sada waterfall. And I'm excited. So I still need to get to the waterfalls still. Then I will show you all how the waterfall is actually looking. I'm climbing the rocks now. I'll show you my face though. That's me. Yeah, I need to be careful of the stones as they are slippery, and even I'm not wearing the shoes as I told you guys. Proper shoes I use. Okay, let's go. Let's do a little. Should I walk through? There is nothing getting in my way, as in, right, snakes and all. Yes, it is. And I am at the waterfall. Okay, let me just have a look at my feet because I guess I have not got any leeches as of now. Because I'm not really very sure about them. Have I got anything as of now? No. On. Yes. me at the waterfall for you. Guys, I have discovered another waterfall, and this time it's the Sada waterfall. 50 meters in length for sure, nothing less than that. Not the highest of the waterfalls across Goa, but then it is quite big. Yeah, it is.